to Mentor MMA channel. In today's video, we will be looking at the sum function. Most of the time when people have to sum, they straightforward make use of auto sum, which is a good option available for a quick sum. However, it's important to understand the sum function because you may not always want to sum data that is available in a straight row or straight column. Let's get started and let's take this example. Now, like in this data, we see that there is a blank cell, and this, because of that blank cell, the auto sum did not include the uh, data that was on top of that blank cell. So that's why we would encourage you to learn the sum function. And I have also placed some other data because you may have situations where you need to sum data that is placed at various different rows and columns on your Excel sheet. So how do you do that? It's pretty simple. You need to start your function by writing an equal sign and then write sum sum, start a bracket, and then start selecting data. So first you select this part of the data, you need to sum this. And then if, for example, you need to include these values within that, what you need to do is insert a comma, and then you select these values. So you want to sum this, comma, this, and then if you also need to add something else, for example, these values, then you insert another comma here, and then you also select this. That's how you can go on and on for whatever data that you have available. But we conclude this for the moment, and we conclude it with a parenthesis by closing this. All right. So you see that all the data that we had got summed up here with that formula. That's why you need to learn formulas in Excel. They make your life very easy when you are working on your various different Excel sheets where you may have many scenarios that you need to handle and tackle for your work. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and like our channel, and we look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.